Hey guys, happy Friday. It's my wash day, and as I was sitting here thinking about the types of products I wanted to use for this wash day, I had the great idea of breaking this down step by step and sharing it with you guys. I'm not sure if a lot of y'all are new to being natural. If you just really want to know in depth what I do for my wash day, then I need for y'all to go ahead and subscribe. Come back every Friday this month because it is Virgo season. That means my birthday is coming soon. And let's just break down each step of my wash day and get into why I do it. Today's video is going to be all about the prepoo. What is a prepoo? Prepooing is basically a treatment that you do to your hair before shampooing. You can use this to either detangle, I use it to detox, or if you just want to add some sort of moisture into your hair before hopping into your wash day. Now let's pick out what I'm going to use to prepoo with today. I have all different types of products in my stash, including hair oils. I can use a clay wash, even regular conditioners that I don't really use to deep condition. This detangling nectar from Pattern Beauty works great as a prepoo, or you can go out and buy products that are sold as prepoos. I really love this one from Nature's Little Secret, and that's actually what I'll be using today. Now, personally for me, I am just going to use whatever I'm using to prepoo. I have some warm water. It just makes my hair a little more pliable, and I have some hair clips just to pin my hair away. And to detangle or pull out shed hair, I'm gonna use my God-given fingertips. You are more than welcome to use any tools that you would like. If you would like to use a brush to detangle, a wide tooth comb, all of that, like, go ahead, play around with it, do what works best for you. But like, as you can see, my ends are pretty trash and are tangled, even though I had my hair in this I blew my hair out in order to do this rod set, or yeah, flexi rod set, but you can't tell because I have been neglecting my hair. It is all sorts of tangled, which is why we are sitting here prepooing today. So here's how I'm going to prepoo. My hair is already kind of sectioned off. I'm going to apply the warm water directly to my hair. Try to finger detangle a little bit before applying product. I'm gonna apply this prepoo not only to my strands, but I'm also gonna make sure that I am hitting my scalp. It is made with fenugreek. It has really great healing properties. I'm not really gonna get into that in this video, but if you wanna know more about these products, definitely let me know. I have videos on almost all of these products. I don't want to waste a lot of product, so I alternate between adding product to my hair and adding water. That way I'm really working it into my strands. I can feel and kind of see if there is anything else that I need. Really help me get in there and pull out that shed hair and dissipate any knots and tangles on my coils. I want you to keep in mind that this is a fully customizable part of wash day. Like, do you need to prepoo every single wash day? No. There was a point in my journey where I did. I don't regret it. It does take more time, but it truly depends on your hair needs, what you believe really works for your hair, and whether or not you feel like it's worth the time. But definitely don't feel like this is something that you absolutely need to do, or you need to do it the way I do it. Find what works for you and do that. Now, I like to prepoo my hair in a few different ways. If you are familiar with my channel, I would probably say most frequently I use clays to like detox and kind of prepoo my hair. I just really enjoyed that experience, and even though they are clay washes, for me, I just feel like they work best in my hair care routine as prepoos. Now you can also DIY. I completely forgot about that. I am not the DIY girl that I used to be, but there is one that I really like. I think I have a video on it. If I do, I'll link it in the description box down below, but I say it all the time. I got it from Sheree Del Sol. So that is definitely one way that I have pre-pooed in the past. My technique is really the same no matter what product I am using to pre-poo. For me personally, I think you'll probably won't ever catch me again pre-pooing with like oils, because I'm just not really into oils as I once was. Now if oils are your things, that's your jam, you want to take some grapeseed oil or some olive oil straight from your kitchen and you want to pre-poo your hair with that, go right ahead. That's none of my business. Do what works for you and your household and your hair, okay? I am not here to shame or blame. I'm just telling you, it's not really my steez anymore. As far as using the detangling nectar, I will do that from time to time, but I kind of want to play around with that some more. I really like using that on days that I don't deep condition and kind of use it as a leave-in. As far as conditioners, throwaway conditioners, I will pre-poo with those in a heartbeat. Something I know I'm not really gonna use or rely on to condition my hair, I will use that baby to pre-poo my hair, because I know it's going to give me the slip, it's going to give me a little bit of moisture, and I'm gonna be able to do this to my hair with it without technically wasting it. Comment down below and let me know if you pre-poo and what do you use. Also, bonus question, I'm being really nosy, when do you detangle? Do you detangle before getting in the shower? What is your detangling process? I'm intrigued. Oh, this section of my hair is something about this area just is so different. Now, I tend to have these issues in my crown area, and I'm not 100% sure, but I believe there are two things as to why I have like what is considered webbing in my crown. One, when I was relaxed, that is the most sensitive area. It used to burn all of the time, and I feel like that kind of deformed like my hair follicles, and I don't know, like my hair is just different in that area, which also leads to the second reason as to I think that area needs more moisture. I have recently learned through watching other content creators that webbing is usually a sign of needing more moisture. So I have been incorporating pre-pooing. I've been using steam when deep conditioning, and I am seeing a difference in that area. So keep in mind, different parts of your hair may need different things. Like I said, fully customizable. You have to learn what works for your hair. One product that I have not mentioned would be the use of bond treatments. I have a whole video that I've uploaded on my channel all about bonding treatments. I'll definitely have that linked in the description box down below. But technically, I feel like they could be considered pre-poos. It's just too technical for me to really get into this video, so definitely check that one out. Okay, so my pre-poo has been fully applied, and y'all, I literally lost not much hair at all, which looks great, but I haven't shampooed, deep conditioned, and like super detangled. But that is all from my pre-poo video. Make sure you are subscribed with the notification bell on so you can come back and watch me shampoo my hair in next week's video. So definitely comment down below if you have any questions, leave them there. I'll try my best to answer them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.